In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete your Google Cloud billing account. Managing your billing accounts effectively is crucial, especially when you no longer need certain services or are looking to streamline your expenses. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open the billing section in your Google Cloud console. This is where you can view all of your billing accounts and related information. If you're already logged into your Google Cloud account, simply navigate to the Google Cloud console. Once there, you can find billing either in the menu on the left side of the screen or by using the search bar at the top. Accessing this section is a straightforward way to get started on managing your billing preferences. Once you're in the billing section, the next step is to select the specific billing account you wish to delete. If you have multiple accounts, you'll see a list of them displayed here. Take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct account, especially if you manage several projects. A little caution here can save you from accidentally closing the wrong account. Once you've identified the correct account, click on it to proceed. Now that you've selected the appropriate billing account, look for the Account Management tab. This section is essentially the control center for all your account settings and actions. By clicking on Account Management, you'll be directed to a page where you can manage various aspects of your billing account. In this section, you'll find the option to close account. Before you proceed, double check that closing this account is your intention, as this action will cease all billing activities associated with it. Click on Close Account when you're ready. It's important to note that closing your billing account will not delete any of your Google Cloud projects, but it will suspend any running services that rely on this billing account. After clicking Close Account, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is Google's way of ensuring that you indeed want to close the account. Carefully read any messages or warnings displayed, as they might contain essential information regarding the closure process. If you're sure about your decision, confirm the closure, and there you have it. Your Google Cloud billing account is now closed. Keep in mind that closing a billing account is a significant step that might impact your services, so always make sure you have a backup plan or an alternative in place if necessary. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of deleting your Google Cloud billing account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.